Hi, I'm Neil at Italia Autos, and in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust a handbrake in an Alfa Romeo GTV. All you're going to need is a 13mm spanner. So let's get to it. Okay, as you can see, the handbrake is quite loose. We can lift that up really high. It should go up 3 clicks, but it's you need to lift it up rather high to get the handbrake to stay on. So what you need to do is just tighten up this nut down here, and you will then tighten up the handbrake cables. Give that a few turns. And then retry the handbrake. You want it to move up 3 clicks and hold the car. So there we go. The handbrake is now holding the car in position. Take the handbrake off, put the handbrake up 3 clicks, and it holds the car perfectly. What you will find is that if it's still not holding the car enough, your handbrake cables could be worn, so you might want to look into getting those changed. But other than that, that should be your handbrake tightened for you. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.